So as you can see, currently I'm in my iPhone home screen, and here as you can see my apps names are not showing. So if you're also facing these apps names are not showing in your iPhone iOS 18, here's how you can easily fix this problem. So basically, this is a new features that comes from iOS 18. If you're using iOS 18 version, then all you have to need from your iPhone home screen, just hard press anywhere and then tap on edit at the top left corner and just tap on customize. And here, as you can see, currently large icon selected. So once here large selected, all of your app names will be hide. To unhide name, just select your small, and once you select it small, you will see all of your app names are showing, and that's it. This is how we can actually fix apps names are not showing problem in iPhone home screen. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.